is Thomas Duffy. I'm the executive chef here at the Chandler Hotel in beautiful Newport, Rhode Island. And today we're going to be making lobster in brie and phyllo. It's a pretty simple recipe to do. Usually you have a bunch of leftover lobster knuckles from when you have lobster. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our lobster knuckle meat. We're going to finely mince it up. Put that into our bowl. Next, we're going to take some herbs and fresh tarragon. Melted leeks, which is just julienne leeks with a little bit of butter, cooked slowly over a low flame. We're going to take that, we're going to mix it all up. Next, the puff pastry. Take a sheet of puff pastry. You can get this at many grocery stores. You're going to take and cut out circles. You could actually make these big and make them an entree. We're going to take our brie, get a couple of nice little slices like so. We got an egg wash here, which is just straight eggs with a little bit of milk in there. You're going to spread it on top of here so the phyllo will stay closed when you cook it. Break your brie up. And simply just going to take a little bit of your filling. And carefully fold it over. And pick it up and just kind of push it all in there. And work it closed with your fingers. Get this other one here. And simply after you do this, you're just going to brush them with a little egg wash on top so they get a nice golden brown. And that's how you make lobster and brie and phyllo. My name is Thomas Duffy. I'm the executive chef here at the Chandler Hotel in Newport, Rhode Island. Have a good day.